And what they're doing is they're using a highly toxic chemical that they've been experimenting with, and they can dissipate clouds. Now the chemical is a powder, and they use it for industrial spills. So if a liquid or something falls on the floor, they can put the powder on it, and then it turns into a gel. It makes it easier to pick up. But it's toxic to marine life. So here we go. In other words, if you read the MSDS and the California EPA website, you're going to find out that this chemical is not good for us when it lands on the ground. So when they dissipate clouds, the powder becomes a gel. The clouds dissipate, and the gel falls on water. In other words, it can fall in the oceans, it can fall on land, it can fall anywhere, and then when it rains into your water supplies. So we need to definitely put the EPA back in charge of regulating these chemicals and saying no, and we need to know what they're using, where they're using it, when they're using it, and say no if we find that it's out of range. So this is the first part of the issue that I wanted to address about climate change, because this is a serious issue, as you see, because if all these states are modifying the weather, it won't be long before other states say, we've got no rain, we have no snow, we're going to modify the weather to get our share. However, you see, the thing is that it's who benefits and who doesn't, who is the have and who is the have-nots, because not everybody's going to benefit from these programs, nor do they now. So that's the question. Now, to go on to a little bit more of weather modification, because this isn't the only problem with weather modification. So I'm going to add another issue, another layer here for all of you. All of you probably have seen the jets leaving persistent jet contrails. The skies over Northern California